everyone, welcome back to my channel. So UWorld just launched an awesome feature called My Notebook. You can find it right here on the right, and I think it's so cool. This is particularly useful if you're not a flashcard person and you need all the stuff in one place and still do spaced repetition for them. It's literally organized by subject and by system, exactly the same way questions and topics are organized. And you can add your stuff in a very decent way underneath them, and you can also use them within the question session. So under each subject or under each system there are subcategories, like for endocrine, for instance. Here, say for instance for cardio, I opened up cardio and I found underneath that normal structure and function, aortic and peripheral artery disease. So they are organized by topic within the system, which is amazing. Alright, so say for instance I'm stuck on a question like that and I got it wrong. Say I got it wrong. That's a question about vasospastic angina. So you need to insert in your notebook the take-home message. You really need to know the take-home message and throw it in there. So for instance, they keep talking here about vasospastic angina, and the take-home message really is the pathogenesis here. It results from coronary endothelial dysfunction, okay, which was up here, endothelial dysfunction. All right, so for instance, you want to add this to your notebook. Now, how are you going to figure out underneath which category you want to add it? You go down there and you're going to find the clue. The subject is pharmacology, the system is cardio, and the topic is vasospastic angina. So I'm going to add it underneath these categories. So this is my take-home message, for instance, and I want to add it in my notebook. And under cardiovascular, I choose coronary heart disease. I guess I'm gonna add it under coronary heart disease. And you press there, add content here, and whatever you just selected is added here. You can edit it as much as you can. So I want to highlight, for instance, in yellow. You can do all the stuff you want. You can even insert tables, entire tables, and captions. It's just amazing. Alright, so that's if you're not a flashcard person, but the most important thing actually to make this a very useful experience is to keep going back to it. Otherwise, it's no use. Trust me. If you fill up an entire notebook that's like an entire textbook and you never go back to it, then there is no point doing it in the first place. So you choose your method. You want to do Anki, well and good. You want to do the notebook, then make sure you have a certain schedule by which you can go back and do the spaced repetition just like you would if you were to do flashcards. Okay, but that's a very nice feature if you can use it well and if you have the time to actually keep going back to these. It's personalized and just cool. All the best, guys.